Hi everybody! The aim of this short video is to explain how Sara Navigation menus work, particularly to voice-over users. When you start the application, it opens onto the navigation page. This page displays real-time useful information for the skipper. There are 5 tabs at the bottom of the page, from left to right. The Sailing Navigating tab.
Selected. Navigation. Tab. 1 of 5.
VoiceOver announces it is selected. The Itinerary tab.
Itinerary. Tab. 2 of 5.
To manage crossing points and routes. The Announcement tab.
Announces. Tab. 3 of 5.
To manage vocal announcements. The Map tab.
Map. Tab. 4 of 5.
To visualize and record our tracks in real time. The Settings tab.
Settings. Tab. 5 of 5.
To manage settings, for example, units used for GPS coordinates, distance, speed, or to set up the connection with the centralized navigation station. This 5-tab list is called the Level 1 menu. The Level 2 menu can be found right above the Level 1 menu and contains a variable number of items, with a maximum of 5 items. This depends on the selected tab in the Level 1 menu. The page that is displayed changes according to the selected item. If we take, for example, the Navigating tab, the Level 2 menu includes 5 items from left to right.
Navigation. Tab. 1 of 5. Navigation.
The GPS item.
Selected menu GPS page 1 on 5.
The page displays basic information given by the GPS course and speed. The route item.
Menu route page 2 on 5. Selected menu route page 2 on 5.
The page displays information which allow the user to locate oneself on the map. The navigation system item.
Menu nav system page 3 on 5 not connected. Selected menu nav system page 3 on 5 not connected.
The page displays information given by the centralized navigation system, if one is connected. For example, wind angle. The Telltales item.
Menu Telltales page 4 on 5 not connected. Selected menu Telltales page 4 on 5 not connected.
The page displays information given by the electronic Telltales, if one is connected to Telltales. The Seascape item.
Menu Seascape page 5 on 5 unavailable. Selected menu Seascape page 5 on 5 unavailable.
Not available, it will be in a next version. The page will display beacons located in one's immediate surroundings. In the same way, you'll be able to explore alone Level 2 menus associated with other tabs, itineraries, announcements, maps and settings. In our next video, we will closely explore itineraries and crossing points.